Have you ever found yourself needing to create a unique mapping in Python only to hit a wall? It can be frustrating when you want to ensure that each key has a distinct value. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're diving into how to create a dictionary that enforces unique values for each key. I totally get it. You want to map Twitter status IDs to their author IDs, and you expect each status to have exactly one author. It's a common scenario, and many developers have faced this challenge. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, is there a standard name for a dictionary or map that allows only unique values for each key? This is a great question and one that many Python developers ponder. So what's the issue here? In Python, the built-in dictionary allows duplicate values for keys, but what if you want to enforce uniqueness? This is where custom solutions come into play, like the unique dict class you mentioned. Let's break it down. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a simple implementation of the unique dict class that you can use in your projects. Trust me, you'll want to see this. To create a dictionary that ensures each key has a unique value, the user can start by defining a custom dictionary class. This class will override the default behavior of setting items. Next, the user should implement the logic to check if the key already exists in the dictionary. If it does, the class will compare the existing value with the new value. If the existing value is different from the new value, the user should raise a value error. This will prevent the dictionary from accepting a new value for an existing key. Finally, if the key does not exist, the user can safely add the new key-value pair to the dictionary. This completes the implementation of the unique dictionary. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of a dictionary in programming is inspired by the way we use dictionaries in real life? Just like you look up a word to find its meaning, a dictionary in programming helps you find values based on keys. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user points out that this situation resembles a write-once dictionary. They suggest that the term you're looking for is indeed a write-once dictionary. Tikil, let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach suggests creating a no-overwrite dictionary. This user faced a similar issue where merging two dictionaries with common keys would raise an error. They proposed the name No Overwrite Dictionary for this concept, although they also considered Single Update Keys Dictionary, which they found less appealing. Here's a pro tip. When creating custom data structures, always consider edge cases. For instance, what happens if you try to add a key that already exists? Planning for these scenarios can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to create a dictionary that enforces unique values for each key. Remember, coding is all about solving problems creatively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.